Dark here. Today we are at Sunnee's house. I'm not going to give you the tour of where he actually lives, but we are playing with one of his cats right now. His name is Tiger. We're using old earbuds I got. Come on, Tiger! Get the thing! You're going too fast, Sunny. You're going too fast. Oh, looks like Callie's going to join any minute.
No.
Come on, Tiger. It's right on your face! Oh. Come on, Tiger! Chase the thingy!
What?
Tiger, come on.
I think he's tired.
Alright, then do it to Callie. She's done eating.
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, he's going! Come on! Go! Come on! Go! Come on! No, you're going too fast!
Ow! Tiger.
Whoa.
Má hứa anh là đừng.
You just let that slip by.
This is fun. Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa. He's confused about everything.
Now he's shaking it.
Wait, where's... Oh. Bug Callie now.
Look, she's scared.
Oh no. Callie, don't be scared.
See, she's...
Callie, don't be scared.
See, she's scared.
I think she wants to go outside now. Oh, now it's war. Oh, wait, never mind. Hey, Tiger. Say hi.
Sniff, sniff.
Hey, Callie. Say hi. Say hi.
I'm really gonna annoy Tiger now.
Alright. Say, oh no. No, I didn't mean to bug
I'm
you,
really
Callie.
gonna annoy Tiger now.
Alright. Let's watch him get annoyed. That's the noise of triggered. Oh, dang it, I can only record for 3 and almost a half minutes.
Wait, why?
Because I'm running out of space on my phone.
Then stop.
I'm at 2.5 now. So I've got a minute left of recording. Anyway, that is all for this time. If you guys enjoyed Sunny bugging his cat, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Whack that bell on the face, activate notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay cool. Oh wait, hang on. Tiger, say hi. Hi. Callie. Say hi. No.
What the heck?
No.
She's like, no.
Ah, I'm stuck in a hole. I'm stuck in a hole.
A hole? What hole?
This hole. Say hi. Whoa. Oh, Tiger's after it now.
He's after the earpiece.
Oh, hang on.
You still recording?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hang on.
Oh.
Whoa. He means